Welcome to my English language channel.
Listen and practice, and come back with me. Today we will study the numbers 0, 0, 0. Example: the number of children in school is 0. The number of children in school is 0. This number is 1, 1, 1. Example: there is one child in the department. There is one child in the department.
This is number 2. 2, 2. Example: the room has 2 lamps. The room has 2 lamps. This is number 3. 3, 3. Example: I have 3 brothers. I have 3 brothers. This is number 4. 4, 4. This is number 5. 5, 5. This is number 6. 6, 6. This is number 7. 7, 7. This is number 8. 8, 8. This is number 9. 9, 9. 10, 10. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20.